Lesson 2. Number Operations. Addition. Addition of two-digit number without carrying. In this case, we will add both tens and ones. We will always start adding from the ones place, that is, from the right-hand side. Let us consider few examples to understand this better. Example 1. Add 43 and 24. 43 is equal to 4 tens and 3 ones. 24 is equal to 2 tens and 4 ones. Adding the 7 ones column, 3 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 7 ones. Adding the tens column, 4 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 6 tens. So, the sum is 6 tens and 7 ones, which is equal to 67. Example 2. Add 34 and 45. 34 is equal to 3 tens and 4 ones. 45 is equal to 4 tens and 5 ones. Adding the ones column, 4 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 9 ones. Adding the tens column, 3 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 7 tens. So, the sum is 7 tens and 9 ones, which is equal to 79. Before we understand how to add with carrying, let us understand how to regroup numbers using blocks. Ones are represented by individual cubes. When we join 10 such cubes, we get 110. Tens are represented by rods. When we join 10 such rods, we get 100. Hundreds are represented by flats. And finally, when we join 10 such flats, we get 1,000. Thousands are represented by big cubes. Now let us model a number using these blocks. 236 can be represented by using 2 flats, 3 rods and 6 cubes. Similarly, the number 579 can be represented by 5 flats, 7 rods and 9 cubes. The number 58 is represented by 5 rods and 8 cubes. What will happen in the ones place if we add 2 more cubes here? We get 10 cubes in ones place. These 10 cubes group together to form into one rod, which gets carried in the tens place. Thus, in tens place there are 6 rods and in ones place there are no cubes. Means when we add 58 and 2, we get 60. This addition involves carrying. Addition of two-digit number with carrying. Example 1. Add 25 and 35. Let us make a place value chart and place the numbers to be added in it. First, the digits in the ones place are added. Let us model these numbers using blocks. 25 means 2 rods and 5 cubes. 35 means 3 rods and 5 cubes. On adding the cubes in the ones place, we get 10 cubes in all. These 10 cubes group together to form one rod, which gets carried in the tens place. Thus, on adding, we get 6 in the tens place and no cubes in the ones place, means 0 here. Therefore, 25 plus 35 is equal to 60. Example 2. Add 46 and 37. Let us make a place value chart and place the numbers to be added in it. First, the digits in the ones place are added. Let us model these numbers using blocks. 46 means 4 rods and 6 cubes. 37 means 3 rods and 7 cubes. On adding the cubes in the ones place, we get 13 cubes in all. Of these 13 cubes, 10 cubes group together to form 1 rod, which gets carried in the tens place, and 3 cubes remain in the ones place. Thus, on adding, we get 8 in the tens place and 3 cubes in the ones place. Therefore, 46 plus 37 is equal to 83. Example 3. Add 52 and 29. Let us solve this problem without using blocks. We can imagine the movement of blocks in mind and do the calculation. Let us make a place value chart and place the numbers to be added in it. First, the digits in the ones place are added. 2 ones and 9 ones equal to 11 ones, which can be broken into 1 10 and 1 1. We can carry this 1 10 in the tens place and add further. On adding, we get 1 in the ones place and 8 in the tens place. Thus, 52 plus 29 is 81. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers with carrying. Example 4. Add 23, 35 and 38. Let us make a place value chart and place the numbers to be added in it. First, the digits in the ones place are added. Let us model these numbers using blocks. 23 means 2 rods and 3 cubes. 35 means 3 rods and 5 cubes. 38 means 3 rods and 8 cubes. On adding the cubes in the ones place, we get 16 cubes in all. Of these 16 cubes, 10 cubes group together to form 1 rod, which gets carried in the tens place, and 6 cubes remain in the ones place. Thus, on adding, we get 9 in the tens place and 6 cubes in the ones place. Therefore, 23 plus 45 plus 38 is equal to 96. Example 5. Add 14, 32 and 19. Let us solve this problem without using blocks. We can image the movement of blocks in mind and do the calculation. Let us make a place value chart and place the numbers to be added in it. First, the digits in the ones place are added. 4 ones, 2 ones and 9 ones equal to 15 ones, which can be broken into 1 10 and 5 ones. We can carry this 1 10 in the tens place and add further. On adding, we get 5 in the ones place and 6 in the tens place. Thus, 14 plus 32 plus 19 is equal to 65. Addition with 0. There are 5 pencils in this pencil stand, and there are no pencils in this pencil stand, which means 0 pencils. When we add 5 pencils plus 0 pencils. We get 5 pencils in all. These are 2 bowls. First bowl does not contain any marbles, which means this bowl has 0 marbles. The other bowl has 18 marbles. On addition, we get 0 marbles plus 18 marbles is equal to 18 marbles in all. This means when a number is added to 0, we get the number itself. Word problems. Example 1. There were 79 white horses and 13 black horses in the field. How many horses were there in all? Let us first make the place value table and place the numbers in it. 79 is equal to 7 tens and 9 ones. 13 is equal to 1 tens and 3 ones. Adding the ones column, 9 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 12 ones, which can be broken into 1 ten and 2 ones. We can carry this 1 ten in the tens place and add further. Adding the tens column, 7 tens plus 1 tens plus 1 is equal to 9 tens. So, the sum is equal to 92. There are 92 horses in all. Example 2. Gino ordered 58 cheeseburgers and 17 veg burgers for his birthday party. How many burgers did he order in all? 58 is equal to 5 tens and 8 ones. 17 is equal to 1 tens and 7 ones. Adding the ones column, 8 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 15 ones, which can be broken into 1 ten and 5 ones. We can carry this 1 ten in the tens place and add further. Adding the tens column, 5 tens plus 1 tens is equal to 6 tens plus 1. So, the sum is 7 tens and 5 ones, which is equal to 75. Gino ordered